Welcome friends. In this video we're going to talk about the fluid pressure of a rectangular plate that is vertical below a depth of a fluid level. As you can see, the top is the fluid level and then that's the vertical plate. So the formula that we're actually going to be looking at is going to be going to involve H, B, and K, and omega, the fluid, the density, weight density constant. So from there to there, that's K, that's the depth. So K goes from the fluid level to the middle of the plate, or rectangular plate, and K is of course greater than H over 2, where H is the height of the rectangular plate. So the formula that we're looking at is going to be F equal omega, the integral from C to D of Hy Ly dy, where H is the height and L is the length of the slab that we're looking at. So here we're going to create a rectangular slab. The height is going to be delta y, and of course delta y is going to be dy. It's going to be when you turn it into the integral. So we need to relate H and L with what we have on the picture. So we know that going down is going to be going on the y coordinate. So if you place your coordinate plane in the middle of the slab, you're gonna get, so negative y is going down. So y, that's the y-axis, and the horizontal is the x-axis. So of course going down would be negative y. That would determine the height of the slab, and then we multiply times b. B doesn't vary because this is a rectangular plate, so b stays the same. So there is no formula for it, it's just a constant. And then of course omega it stays the same. Omega is the weight density, and then all we need to do right now is find the endpoints. Remember, if you go from the right, the upper limit would be K minus H over 2, because that's corner is, if you in the middle of the slab is K. So if you go up is K minus H over 2, and if you go down will be K plus H over 2. So that's now that you find the limits, we need to solve the integral. So that will be omega, negative omega, y squared over 2 times b, and I didn't write b there, but you will be there. And then you plug in your values, your upper limits into y, and you should definitely get your final answer, which will be omega k h b. Don't forget the b. I didn't write it before, but don't forget it. So remember, finding the limits is the hardest part of this problem, but you can do easily with a picture. So don't forget to subscribe, please. Thank you very much.